You can if I ask you, Saurav, how's your day look like? So if you want to tell me, ma'am, I'm usually busy. So ये बहुत simple है. अगर आपको मतलब ऐसे impressive English बोलनी है, थोड़ा सा you want to be unique. So yes, you can say I'm usually short of time or I'm usually occupied. So Saurav, why are you here? What do you want to improve with regards to communication in you?
Yeah, so actually, I was not good in English earlier. So later on, I thought that English is most important in our life, because in our India, like it is our official language. So I would say that's why I'm just learning this language. So initially, what I did, I just tried to learn myself. Thereafter, I started taking classes from English theory. And they just taught me a lot of things, and this way it's going on.
Okay. So when you were learning by yourself, what were you doing basically?
Okay, so are you asking about earlier?
Yeah, yes, before English Yari or any other platform.
Yeah, so,
as you told me, you were learning by yourself.
Okay.
What did you do?
Yeah. Well, so actually earlier, what I used to do, I used to practice myself. Like I'm just saying any topic randomly, turning on the camera of my mobile, and then I'm just saying anything in front of camera. And moreover, I'm just learning from YouTube. That time I was just learning from YouTube that time, and this was the process. And I used to learn some like daily use sentences, and this way I started learning.
Okay, great. So this is also a great way to learn. I often tell my learners to speak on a topic and then record yourself, listen to yourself. But there is one drawback in this, that you can do all of these things. You can record yourself, you can turn the video on and then watch yourself, how you look like, how you speak. But the only problem is there is nobody to actually correct you. Right?
Yeah.
There's nobody, no mentor who can correct you, no mentor who can give you feedback. So that is very important. That is why these sessions are really helpful. So that is one thing. Okay. So do you know what are specific areas where you have problem in?
Yeah. Okay. Earlier I was not that much confident to speak. So these days, at least I can speak confidently. That was the flaw earlier. So as for these days, I am just saying, like, I would say that sometimes I make some mistake. That is the problem here. Apart from that, sometimes I can't get any proper word. Even so that's why it is the problem. And other thing is, sometimes some grammatical mistake is also there in my English. I noticed personally.
Yes. So when I'm also listening to you, I can see that you're not very hesitant. So that's a good thing. You're very comfortable with the language. It's not like you are like you're frozen, or you're not speaking, or you're not able to speak anything. You are speaking really well. You are fluid with the language. You are comfortable also. But yes, what I see is pronunciation problems and then grammatical problems. Other than that, it looks looks fine. But yes, I'll listen to you more and then I'll give you a proper feedback at the end. Okay. So let's do one activity. Right? So I'll give you a few sentences and I will ask you, how can you say the same sentence in different ways?
Okay.
For example, if I want to say I'm happy, I can also say I'm over the moon. Like this. So one sentence into different ways. So you think about it, how can you say the same thing in different way? So first is, I am very busy. Now you have to say this same sentence in different ways. How would you say it?
I'm very busy. Okay. So I am quite okay. Yeah. So I'm busy.
Okay. Think about it. Take your time slowly. I'm busy. I am quite. The content is right. You need to just add one more word.
Yeah. That is the okay. Right. So I'm busy means I'm just filled up with
I am.
with my work. I'm filled up with job or
Yeah.
with my work.
Yes, yes, that is also correct. I'm filled up with my work, or I'm completely occupied. Is also one way.
Okay,
I'm
occupied.
occupied.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
quite occupied.
Yeah, ma'am.
Right?
Actually,
Yeah.
ma'am, I know
This
this
is the
word,
problem.
but yeah,
Got it, got it. That is why I'm doing this activity. So with the help of this
yeah,
activity, you will have quite few handful of words for one same thing. So it will be easier for you, as you were saying,
yeah,
that sometimes word do not come to your mind. So this way, it will help you to think in the same for the same thing again and again, right? Because आपने एक बार बोल
yeah,
दिया, फिर आप दूसरी बार बोलोगे, बार बार आपको एक ही चीज के ऊपर सोचने का जब टाइम मिलेगा, तो आपकी vocabulary increase होगी. जो words नहीं आते mind में,
yeah,
वो आने लगेंगे. ठीक है, I'm occupied. Or what other ways you
yeah.
can speak?
Occupied, and I'm just surrounded by work.
Very good. Yeah, that is also one way
Yeah,
to use.
yeah.
And you can also say, if you want to use a phrase, then you can say, I am short of time. That I don't have any
Okay,
time.
I'm
I'm
short
very
of
busy.
time.
Yeah, I'm short of
Yeah,
time.
I'm short of
Okay,
time.
that is a phrase. These are called phrases.
Yeah.
Like phrase are basically a sentence which is quite different than usual and also complete your meaning in one go. ठीक है?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
occupied with work. Occupied के साथ आप दूसरी तरह से भी बोल सकते हैं, अलग-अलग तरह से बोल सकते हैं. I'm short of time is one sentence और एक ही meaning देगा ये. Phrase का मतलब ये होता है, ठीक है? I'm
Yeah,
short of
yeah.
time. Or one more phrase is my plate is full. That does not mean your
My
plate is full.
Okay.
That does not mean कि आपकी
Yeah.
खाने की plate full है. That means आपका दिन जो है या आपका time जो है वो इतना full है कि आपके पास कोई time नहीं. My plate is
Yeah, okay,
completely
ma'am.
full. I don't have any time. Okay, so the sentence, the basic sentence I gave you was, I am very busy. So I'm occupied
busy.
with work. I'm surrounded with the work.
Surrounded.
I'm filled with work was also right, as you
Yeah.
said in the beginning. Then I am short
I'm
of
short
time.
of time, or short of time,
Short of
and
time. My
my
plate
place
is
is full.
very good. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Next.
Yeah,
I don't like it. When you have to say that कोई भी चीज आपको जैसे नहीं पसंद, आप उसको कितने तरह से और बोल सकते हैं. I don't like this. For example, if I ask you that sort of, would you have tea? So you want to say no, I don't like tea. So ये sentence को आप और कैसे बोल सकते हैं?
I don't have interest in tea.
Interest will not
And-
go. Interest हम usually use करते हैं किसी activity या किसी hobby पे या किसी usually activities या hobby पे. जैसे I don't have interest in cooking, I don't have interest in bowling, I don't have interest in dancing. So activities में ज़्यादा use होता है. Interest की जगह एक word change होगा. Think about it. क्या हो सकता है?
I don't love.
Love
tea.
is also
Okay.
okay, but very similar to like any other word. Sentence correct है, the word is wrong.
Okay, so like, yeah. So
Prefer.
okay,
I
I
don't
can say
prefer tea.
like with negative word like I dislike tea.
Dislike tea. Very good. That is also correct. And one other thing is I don't prefer tea.
Okay, prefer. Okay, ma'am.
Right? I
Yes.
don't prefer tea or I prefer coffee. Right?
Yeah,
This
prefer.
is also one thing. Tea is not for me. That again means you do not like tea. It is not for you.
Yeah.
और ये जो not for me is again a phrase और ये different activities के लिए भी use होता है and things के लिए भी use होता है. For example, I want to say cooking is not for me, dancing is not for me, tea is not for me, this color is not for me. So anything where you want to say कि ये चीज मेरे लिए नहीं है या I don't like this, you can say this is not for me. Okay? One.
Yeah. So, ma'am, there is I read a phrase like like tea is not my type. Yeah, it
Tea is not my type or my thing.
Yeah, of my thing. Okay.
Tea के साथ usually हम thing बोल देते हैं. My type is usually used. This movie is not my type. This color is not my type.
Yeah.
Tea के साथ type नहीं जाता. Tea के साथ you can say
Yeah.
Thing. But other
Okay.
ways you can use it. This is not my type. This phone is not my type. This color is not my type. This movie is not my type.
Yeah.
Like this. Okay. So another thing is this is not my cup of tea. My cup of tea is again used for activities. Cooking is not my cup of tea. this bowling is not my cup of tea, or this car is not my cup. Driving is not my cup of tea. So not my cup of tea is also used for activities.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay,
All
so
right.
let's revisit the same sentences. So the base sentence was I do not like tea. So you can say I
I do not
dislike tea. I do not prefer tea. Tea is not my thing. Tea is not for me.
Not
Right?
for me. Yeah.
Tea is not for me.
Yeah.
And
All
for
right.
activities, you can use this is not my cup of tea, or this
Yeah.
is not my type.
Okay. All right. All right.
Okay, correct? One more.
Yeah.
We'll do
Yeah,
one
ma'am.
more. Okay. I'm happy, or I am excited. If you want to say that I'm very
Yeah.
happy, I'm very excited, how can you say that in different way?
Yeah. So you said me an idiom like I am over the moon.
Yes, I'm
Uh,
over the moon that I told you.
Yeah. I'm just a feel of enjoyment. Right, ma'am?
I am enjoyment. Enjoyment is usually used for as a verb. But
Okay. Okay.
verb
Sorry.
है ना, verb मतलब activity, कोई चीज जो हम कर रहे हैं, क्रिया. तो you cannot use it like this. आप यहाँ पे अपनी feeling बता रहे हो. When we are telling our feeling, it is a noun. I'm happy.
Yeah.
Happiness is a feeling.
Yeah.
Happiness is a verb. I'm feeling happy. Happy is a noun. तो noun आपको use करना है जहाँ पे आप अपना बता रहे हो, आप कर नहीं रहे हो. enjoyment होगा कि I enjoyed there. मैंने वहाँ बहुत enjoy किया, या मैं बहुत enjoy
Yeah.
कर रहा हूँ, या मैं बहुत enjoy कर. I'm hoping I will enjoy there. It's related to something
Yeah.
that you are doing. ठीक है?
Okay.
So I am happy. I am excited. I am over the moon. I am overjoyed.
Overjoyed.
Joy means
Okay.
happy. I'm overjoyed.
Overjoyed. Okay.
I'm elated. Elated also means happy. E-L-A-T-E-D.
Elated.
I'm elated.
E-L-A-T-E-D. Okay. All right.
ठीक है? Very happy,
Alright, ma'am.
मतलब elated, right? So these are the ways you can say it, same thing in different ways. You can if I ask you, Saurav, how's your day look like? So if you want to tell me, ma'am, I'm usually busy. So ये बहुत simple है. अगर आपको मतलब ऐसे impressive English बोलनी है, थोड़ा सा you want to be unique. So yes, you can say I'm usually short of time, or I'm usually occupied. So इतने से chain से it creates an impression.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Right? So that is one
Yeah.
activity. Okay. Do you have any question till now? Do you want to ask anything?
Yeah. So actually, I'm just very happy to get you as a teacher, ma'am. I didn't know that I can learn English this way as well. Yeah,
Right.
such as incredible, ma'am. I really love it.
No worries. Actually, I cannot say that I'm incredible. It's just because of experience, and it's been 6 years I'm into this. So I've evolved with time. पहले मैं किसी और तरह पढ़ाती थी, फिर मैं किसी और तरह. I've changed my learnings with time. But now I
Yeah.
try to, I understand that, see,